Okay, so I'm sitting here with the
Hello.
great Mr. John Cairns, and we're looking at using Explain Everything for the Term 3 Eastern Region Mathematics Coordinators Day, and going to be doing some great stuff with them, and we see a really nice synergy between the flipped classroom model and the use of Socrative to provide authentic feedback to students. So just going to quickly demonstrate how we would pull a question in to Explain Everything. Now, Explain Everything, a great little app. There are others that do a similar sort of thing that are free, such as Show Me and Screen Chomp. However, this integrates so beautifully within Google and within YouTube, etc. So our suggestion would be to pay the $3.99, I think it is, and this wonderful tool that you could use in any curriculum area, but also mathematics. So you can see here we've got our main screen up the top. Here's our little plus sign, so you can see up the top here. This is how you would create new Explain Everything templates. You can open existing ones, so you might have a project that, or an image that you want to create a new project from, and also up the top here is the ability to export. So I'm just going to go to plus. I'm going to open up a white page, and you can see down the side here is our navigation. So we've got our little pencil, or our hand is moving things around on your stage. Let's just call this our stage. We've got our pencil, which is for annotations. We've got our shape tool over here, and so that's for drawing arrows and all wonderful things like that. We've got our undo tool, which is really handy. We've got our text tool, so you could go in and annotate something, and notice the subscript and superscript here for equations, so that's really useful. Okay, so we can do that. And obviously we can pull in an object. So this is the menu that we're going to focus on at the moment, the insert an object. We're going to file. Now, prior to this little screencast that I'm doing, back on the home screen down here, I'm just going to save the project, and we're just going to call it John question 2. Save that. Back down in this home screen, what we did was we went in and went to accounts, and we signed into our Google Drive account. You'll see the little switch buttons there. I signed into my Google Drive account, and I signed into my YouTube account so that I could pull images in from my Google Drive, and I could export my video to YouTube. Okay, so that's a crucial step there. So I'm just going to step out of that. I'm going back into John question 2. So now we're going to this insert an image box here, and you could insert a photograph. So say for instance you were doing an authentic mathematical exercise, so you're looking at parabola and the ski jump and all that sort of stuff, so you could obviously pull in something like that, new video, that sort of thing. So we're going into File, and you can see here that we've created a folder called Flip Questions that you'll have access to on the day, and John's now going to explain a stage 6 maths problem. So I'm going to pull that into the stage. So you can see here that I can crop this image, I can resize it, I can make it larger, and it just is such a beautiful tool. Okay, now obviously this could be done on a smartboard. I suppose not every maths teacher has a smartboard in their house, so they've got an iPad, or most have an iPad, so we're going to demonstrate this using an iPad. So you can see we've got our image on the slide. We're pretty much ready for John's explanation of this, so I'm going to pause the video at this point, and then we'll continue in 1 second.